Hello everyone. Welcome back to Stock Market Meridian. Today is 3rd July 2026 and you're watching today's pre-market report. Let's begin our video with global markets. Starting with the US markets, all major indices closed with mixed sentiment. S&P 500 closed nearly flat in neutral zone. Dow Jones ended up with strong gains of around 1.1%, while the Nasdaq closed nearly 1.6% lower, mainly due to weakness in tech and AI related stocks. Coming to European markets, all major indices closed with strong positive momentum. Now looking at Asian markets, Japan markets closed nearly 3% down and today also opened under pressure. China markets are also closed in negative side. South Korea markets, after witnessing a sharp correction of nearly 8% yesterday, are showing some recovery and today opened at around 1.5% gap up. We will discuss about Nifty at the end of this video. Now let's move to commodities section. US WTI crude oil is currently trading at around $68 to $70 per barrel, while Brent crude oil is trading at nearly $70 and $72 per barrel. In Indian commodities market, yesterday crude oil futures are closed in 0.2% positive, while natural gas futures closed at around 0.2% negative. In precious metal segment, Indian gold futures closed 0.9% positive side, while international gold futures are trading at around 0.3% higher. Indian silver futures are also closed in 1.3% positive side, and while international silver futures are trading nearly 0.85% higher. Now let's check about ADR's data. Yesterday, on the negative side, only Reliance ADR closed weak. On the positive side, Infosys, Dr. Reddy's, ICICI Bank, Wipro, and HDFC Bank ADRs ended up with strong positive momentum. Now let's move to FIIs and DIIs data. Yesterday, FIIs were net sellers of 311 crores, while DIIs were net buyers of 1784 crores. While FIIs small selling quantity was positive sign for markets. Looking deeper into positioning, FIIs are showing medium bullish sentiment in stock futures, medium bearish sentiment in stocks, and neutral positioning in index futures and index options. DIIs are medium bullish in index futures and stocks, strongly bearish in stock futures, and neutral in index options. Also, retail investors are currently neutral across all segments. Now let's check economic calendar. Yesterday from the US, non-farm payroll came slightly negative, unemployment rate came positive, average hourly earnings were in line with market expectations, and initial jobless claims data also came positive. Today, US markets will remain closed due to Independence Day holiday. From India, key data points to watch are service PMI and foreign reserves data will be come out. And tomorrow, there will be no major updates. Before moving further, a quick reminder. I upload pre-market videos every single morning before market opens and also post-market videos every evening after market close. So if you don't want to miss any important market updates, make sure you stay connected with Stock Market Meridian. Now let's move to geopolitical updates. Direct and mediated talks between Iran and US are temporarily paused due to funeral ceremonies for Iran's former supreme leader. According to mediators from Qatar and Pakistan, the funeral ceremonies for Ayatollah Ali Khamenei will continue from July 4th to July 9th. Talks are expected to resume immediately after that. Iran's chief negotiator has cancelled for mass public participation, and authorities expect nearly 15 to 20 million people along with representatives from 30 countries. Before this pause, President Donald Trump stated that US-Iran talks in Doha were progressing positively and that denuclearization discussions were moving in the right direction. Mediators from Qatar and Pakistan also confirmed positive progress during recent discussions. So as of now, no such panic sentiment or tensions are related to these conflicts. Now the next important update is today India's Defence Acquisition Council meeting is scheduled after many months and several major weapons procurement proposals are expected to be cleared. The ministry is likely to approve the induction of indigenous MPATGM systems for Indian Army. This includes 100 launchers, 2,300 missiles and 5 simulators. The project is valued at around 2,600 crore rupees with Bharat Dynamic Limited as the primary production agency. And the government is also expected to consider procurement of 600 Hammer air-to-ground precision grounded missiles to strengthen Rafale and LCA Tejas strike capability. Under the Make in India initiative, Bharat Electronics Limited may manufacture these missiles domestically. Additional proposals include Varba air defense systems, fixed wing pseudo satellites, and naval aerial surveillance systems. So keep a very close eye today on BEL, BDL, and other defense stocks. Next important update is from ACME Group. ACME has signed a major contract with Japan's IHI Corporation to supply 405,000 tons per annum of green ammonia. This deal is backed by Japan's low carbon ammonia support scheme, ensuring long-term financial visibility. Separately, ACME also signed a 10-year agreement with Mitsubishi Gas Chemical Company to supply 1 lakh ton per annum of green methanol. This green methanol will be manufactured at ACME's Paradip facility, and the project is also designed to meet strict European renewable fuel standards and IMO clean marine fuel requirements. Next update is from BPCL. BPCL through its subsidiary BPRL Ventures has increased its stake in Brazil-based IBV Brazil Petroleo to 100%. The company required remaining 39.14% stake in all-cash deal worth 2,312 crore rupees. This acquisition strengthens BPCL's direct access to additional oil and gas reserves and support India's long-term energy security. And also transaction was completed on July 1st after approval from DIPAM and Niti Aayog. Next update is from Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki has unveiled its next generation manufacturing facility at Kharkhoda, Haryana. This mega facility spans 800 acres with an integrated supplier park. The total projected investment is 55,000 crore rupees, and it is expected to create over 21,000 jobs in locally. And the plant starts with a capacity of 5 lakh units and will eventually scale up to 10 lakh units annually. At full capacity, it will become one of the largest automobile manufacturing plant in the world. And the facility is built on Suzuki Smart Factory principles with advanced automation and collaborative robots. A major highlight is sustainability. 100% electricity needs are powered through renewable energy, and it is also a zero liquid discharge plant with complete water recycling. Now let's move to Tata Motors' latest update. JLR's Q1 business update is out. JLR recorded wholesales volume of 79,300 units, down from 9.2% year-on-year and 16.8% quarter-on-quarter. Retail sales came in at 80,000 units, declining 15.3% year-on-year. The company cited 3 key challenges: a fire at major supplier, Middle East disruption, and planned transaction from older Jaguar models to all-electric Jaguar Type 1. Despite lower volumes, premium models including Range Rover, Range Rover Sports, and Defender contributed 80.8% of wholesale volumes. That remains a positive sign for profitability. Next update is from Avenue Supermarts. Avenue Supermarts reported strong Q1 revenue growth. Standalone revenue came out at 18,343 crore rupees, showing 15.13% year-on-year growth. DMart now has a total of 503 stores across India. This reflects continued expansion and strong retail demand. Now let's move to banking business updates. First update is from CSB Bank. Gold loan advances surged 47% year-on-year. Total gross advances rise 24%. And total deposit increased 26%. Next update is from UCO Bank. Bank's total business crossed 6.05 lakh crore rupees with 15.46% growth, and also advances rose 21.33% while deposit grew 11.04%. Next update is from Central Bank of India. Global total business reached 8.33 lakh crore rupees with 18.36% growth, and also advances surged 28.77% while deposits grew 11.66%. Next update is from Punjab National Bank. PNB's total business reached 29.99 lakh crore rupees, very close to 30 lakhs crore milestone, and advances rise 12.85%. Also deposit grow 8.5%. Next update is from Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. The secured loan book crossed 50% of the overall portfolio for the first time. Gross loan book grew 28.9%. Gold loan surged to 48%. Deposit rises 25% and gross non-performing assets improved to 2.17%. Next update is from Equitas Small Finance Bank. Bank's gross advances grow 26.7% to 47,653 crores, and also disbursements surged nearly 94%. Deposit increased 10.4%, and also loan growth remained very strong. Now let's look at GIFT Nifty data. Yesterday, GIFT Nifty closed in 24,257 level with 0.9% gains, and today opened at same level but moving upside to hit 24,500 level. Means there will be a gap up opening chances in our markets today. Overall, banking and defense stocks will remain in focus today, along with energy and auto sectors. That's all for today's pre-market report. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you again in today's post-market report. Thanks for watching. Signing off. Bye bye. Jai Hind.